What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have a pretty simple install. Before we start off the video, check out this sick hat. You know we have to go all out when we work on the 720s. Today we're going to be installing these eyelids onto the 720. Some people call them half moons, some people call them eyelids, and we're going to be installing these. It should be a super straightforward install. I have 4 of them. Each pack comes with 2. But since we do have quad headlights, we need 2 sets in order to do 4 headlights. The ones that I have are for the factory headlights, so they have the little holes in them for the little nipple that sticks out on the factory headlights. However, since this truck has LED headlights, these are not the factory housings. These are H4 housings, so they look like they're factory headlights because the housings are in OEM style. However, there is an LED bulb in the back that is nice and blue, and you could actually see, not like the stock headlights where you can't see anything and they're all ugly and yellow. So I'm not too sure I'm going to get it to stay in there because these usually stay in there with a little nipple and it kind of holds it in place. And then the side-to-side motion gets held by this outer ring. But since we don't have that nipple, I'm going to have to figure something out. And the girl just comes out like that. Super simple and easy. I'm going to put a little strip on the back of the glass. That way the little thing kind of stays on there. Now this is technically not the right way. There we go. I got them all installed. Fairly simple install. Now I just have to put the grill on and give it a final wipe down. I tried to polish these as best as I could, but for those you need like an actual power tool to polish those, or at least get them to look like this. But I have another set that I'm going to send off to get polished, and then some other day when I have time I'll just swap them out. Super simple and easy. But for now I just gave those a little quick hand polishing. But damn, they do look good. All right, time to throw the grill back on. And here is the finished results. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. So now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna quickly try and prep the hard body since tomorrow is Dockweiler and I really want to take the truck. I've been saying that I'm not gonna drive it until it's done, but it's taking me a lot longer to finish this with the whole right-hand drive conversion and all that. And you guys can see I've just been storing parts and I've been super busy, so I haven't even worked on it in about 3 months. But I've been saying that I'm going to go to Dockweiler for the past 4 years with this specific truck, and I feel like I should honestly just go. Screw it. If the truck's not done, just take it and enjoy it, and then work on it when I get a chance. I'm going to quickly try and get the truck ready. If not, then I'll end up taking the 720. Regardless, I just want to go and hang out with some friends, so I don't really care too much which truck I take, but I would like to take the hard body out since I haven't taken it out in a couple of months. With all that being said, I hope you guys found this video probably pretty useful and maybe enjoyed it for a little bit of entertainment. I know it was pretty short, but I know people ask about little mods that I do on the trucks like this, and I never really pick up the camera and film it because it's simple stuff. But I know some people wonder how it happens, or you know, how to do it, so that's why I post these small videos to kind of show you guys how I put them on and all that. Since sometimes I do pretty cool little upgrades to the trucks and I don't film it, and then people are asking me, and it's kind of hard to explain without a video showing you guys exactly how it's done. I'm going to try and get this video uploaded today, so if you guys are seeing this the day that it's uploaded, I hope to see you guys all tomorrow at Dockweiler. It should be fun. Come out, say what's up, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.